What's up, foodies? If you've been following me for a while, you know I love pistachios. Today I'm excited to share a twist on a classic. It wasn't that long ago that I made a traditional Basque cheesecake, but today we are going to upgrade it with pistachios. It's just as creamy and delicious, with that signature burnt top look. But this time it has a nutty, rich pistachio flavor. First, preheat your oven to 410 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch pan and line it with 2 sheets of parchment paper. Place one sheet so it covers the bottom and sides, and then lay the second sheet across in the opposite direction. Leave the edges overhanging. It gives the cheesecake that rustic look. Now let's cream room temperature cream cheese and sugar. Use a hand or stand mixer on medium speed and mix until smooth. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we are adding pistachio paste. You can go for store-bought pistachio paste, or if you want to level up your dessert game, I've got a homemade pistachio paste recipe. Check it out. Either way, mix it until it's fully incorporated and smooth. Time to add the eggs, one at a time. After each egg, mix until fully combined before adding the next one. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure even mixing. Pour in your heavy cream and vanilla bean paste. And I know, some of you may be thinking vanilla bean paste it's too hard to find or it's a bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth the extra cost. If you can't find it, you can use vanilla bean pod. Whatever you do, try to avoid cheap vanilla extract. Keep mixing until it's smooth and creamy. Finally, add flour. For a gluten-free version, you can use the same amount of cornstarch and some salt. Mix on low speed just until combined. You don't want to overmix the batter. Doing so can activate the gluten, which will affect the texture of the cheesecake. Okay, our cheesecake batter is ready. Pour that beautiful batter into prepared pan. It's going to look a bit loose, but don't worry. It will set perfectly in the oven. Bake it for about 45 to 60 minutes. After the 45-minute mark, give it a little shake. You want the center to have a nice jiggle. That's the secret to a creamy center. If it's completely firm, it's been overbaked. Remember, the burnt top is exactly what we're aiming for. So don't worry if it's look darker than the normal cheesecake. That's the magic of Basque cheesecake. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool to room temperature in the pan. It might deflate a bit, but it's totally normal. After it's cooled, pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or better, overnight. Our pistachio Basque cheesecake is ready. The perfect combination of creamy cheesecake and the rich pistachio flavor. If you want to try the classic Basque cheesecake without the pistachios, check out my original recipe here.